Hello, this is Wayne Bridges. I am recording the demo of the final product demonstration for the group project, in the group containing myself, Veronica Creters, David Cavazos, and Jose Pacina. As discussed in the request for proposals and the prototype development phases of this project, this is a set of micro-learning courses developed for engineers at my company, VMware, to augment ongoing training that we do in a face-to-face or traditional distance learning methods. This is using micro-learning, so very short courses that engineers are able to access from their mobile device while on the go. So we've created two courses here. The first, an introduction to JMP, or Just-in-Time Management Platform, to up-level engineers on virtual desktop infrastructure management. And a second course, Windows 10 Management, to help our engineers up-level themselves on traditional device management for Windows 10 devices. So this video will follow the prototype video format. I'm going to walk through one of these courses, show off the different types of questions that we'll encounter within the course so that we can see how this works. So I'm going to go into the Introduction to JMP course, and as I do, I get a course overview page. This is going to show me a progress bar at the top to show me which lessons I've completed or not, as well as green check marks to show me courses that are completed or lessons that are completed within this. And a lesson is a very short format piece of content followed by a couple of questions. And that initial content is 5 minutes or less by definition for micro-learning. And what we've done here is clicked into a lesson, and I have a start button initially. I also have a previous score, the number of stars that I earned, and the number of correct answers I've gotten right within this course previously. So clicking on the start button here, I'm taken into the course. The initial information page is going to tell me a little bit about what the course is about. I'm brought into a YouTube video that's played within the application. And again, this is a very short format video. And this is going to walk me through the initial content that I'm going to be quizzed on in just a moment here. So this video gives me a demonstration of the product, and then I'm taken into a fill in the blanks type question. And because I watched the video, I'm able to quickly answer. When I answer, I get immediate feedback at the bottom of the page, and that's going to be whether I've given the correct answer or an incorrect answer. So I get that feedback, I hit continue, and I'm taken to the next question. This question is a true or false type multiple choice question. So I'm going to answer this and say, okay, I'm done. And I'll get a little bit of a shake on the screen, and it says not quite at the bottom. It gives me the correct answer still. Back to another fill in the blanks type multiple choice. So I've got many words at the bottom here. Only 2 of them are going to fit into this sentence. So I have 3 distractor answers. I say okay and continue. Now I have another drag and drop, and it's giving me the correct answer again. I'm going to go from here into one of the other lessons where I've got a couple of other question formats, and we'll go through this very quickly. Again, for the next piece of content, I'm presented with a short video, and I'm going to fast forward through that video, and we're going to get to the next screen so that we can see the question types. Here I've got a double multiple choice question, so a couple of related questions, and I included them on the same screen. So what is a traditional advantage of? And I've got a section at the top that says persistent desktops and a section at the bottom that says non-persistent desktops. And I can answer each of those on this page and say, okay, I'm done. Again, I get the feedback that I'd expect. Again, another fill in the blanks type question. And here I have a different type of fill in the blanks. If I tap in the blank here, then I get a set of letters and I can type in the words. This is a more tactile means of allowing the user to interact with the content. And here we have a draggable true or false. So I have the sentence completer in the bottom, or in the middle, I'm sorry, and I drag that to either true at the top or false at the bottom to answer. And here I have a different type of drag and drop. So I'm going to write a sentence in this case to fill in the idea. And once I've completed that sentence, I get the feedback again. So another drag and drop, and I'm through this lesson. So again, this gives me my score and allows me to see my progress on the course. So I want to thank you for all of the feedback on the previous sections and for this section of the group project. And again, this is on behalf of our group. We want to say thank you.